Okay, you're live.
Nice. So we have the system installed. Let's get it to go in action. We need the driver, which is a program needed to map the actions you do with this smart board into mouse clicks and movements, etc. So I'll go to smart. This is called smart smart board from smart. You go to smarttech.com, support smarttech.com, downloads, and you can get from services, downloads and drivers. If you go down, smart product drivers and ink. So it's one application including drivers for everything, plus ink application. We'll talk about ink very soon. And from download, you just need to download the exe file, and if you have Linux or Mac, you can find it here as well. So as simple as this. So we click download the application, install, next as usual as we do with Windows, until full installation. Now after the installation, the first thing you need to do is calibration. And with the word calibration, we mean mapping the coordinates of your click on the screen to the screen coordinates as the computer understands. Let me tell you this in another way. I may have the projector not properly installed, so it can take it can show the screen on this area only, and I calibrate my application to work on this area. That's possible.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. How can initialize the calibration? The easiest way, if you have this model, is to click this button. Can you focus on it, please? This button. When you start, you'll find this is light blinking. So we click only this button, which is calibration, and we start the calibration process. With the calibration process, you need to click on certain points. According to your setting, can be 4, 6, 9, or 20 points. You and your luck. Well, I think the standard is 9. You click here. 1.
Relax right over your mouth like this.
2, 3. With everyone done well, you hear a sound and the cross will become green. 6, 7, 8, 9, and done. Okay, now you should be able to see one or two of these icons. Mostly you will see this icon, this mouse here, which means that you are working in the mouse mode. So I can drag, I can click, I can do anything that the mouse does. And also I can change to another feature. So I can select the bin, it will be a bin, and I can choose which bin I'm using. Actually, because let's go back to the mouse. Because I'm already all the bins and dusters and the duster are in place, so there is not bin by default. But when I lift this, it will sense it, and the color, the icon changed into a bin. Now I should be able to draw, and I can
Change the color.
configure the drawing. So I have bin, I have highlighter, I have other fancy things like magic bin, which can draw and be deleted later. Make it red, this size, and let's say it's right, Omar. sorry, because I'm writing fast, really fast. What I see. This is a magic pen, which will be erased soon, in a matter of seconds. Anyway, so we can make it green pen. Oh, I think I should finish. This is green. This size green. Or I can make it magic. 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be erased soon.
Yeah, that's magic. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Nice. We can also let's move to this icon here. We can have other interesting features like screen capture. If I want to screen focus, so if I can focus on one part of the screen only. If I want, I can show you this word. I have also screen hide and show. If I want to show something incrementally, so for example, this is a question and the answer is below.
Right. Yeah. Okay, so Amr, what else do you need? So you need the driver, the software that you showed where you can download it, and once you download the software on the computer that you're going to be using to present, then you should be good to go. As long as you calibrate the screen and make sure that it's all configured correctly. Is there anything else that you need to?
If after installing this application,
Yeah.
the smart product drivers and smart ink don't work, you might need to install another application which gave me this icon.
Okay.
Depends on your system.
But we can work on that if the other one doesn't work.
Yes.
Right. Okay. Good.
I just
So
need
we
to
should
make-
be
before,
fine. for
Before
now.
we end it, I need to
Yes.
Emphasize some point. This pen is just piece of plastic.
Okay.
I can use my finger.
Right. Yes.
I can use 2 fingers.
Right. So it doesn't matter whether
4
the
fingers.
the pen itself is green or blue, as long as you can just identify
Yes,
the
I
color
can-
on the
I can
right,
change it
exactly,
whatever.
yeah. Or you can use your fingers. You can use
Yes,
something
and I
soft,
can-
something soft, so it doesn't scratch the screen.
Yes.
Yeah.
And regarding again for the
And the eraser, yeah, you can use
I
it.
can cancel the eraser and
You can use your hand as well.
done.
Done.
Yes.
اوكي
That's
جزاك
all.
الله خير الله يرضى عليك جزاك الله خير السلام عليكم